the best buy of the year. I bought this yoga mat last year off you, and it is the best buy of the year.
Yeah.
Because I can now do things on my yoga mat that I was afraid of before, because I was always afraid I was going to slip and my hands were going to slip away from me, and it's given me so much confidence to achieve more on the mat, and it's just amazing.
Thank
Can't
you.
highly recommend it enough.
Oh, thank you so much.
Now with this one, hi, my name is Agnes. I love this yoga mat. I've been doing yoga for 3 or 4 years now, and every time I bought my yoga mat, I was disappointed because either the material felt so unnatural or it just stretched and slipped, and I didn't feel comfortable doing yoga poses. Now with this one, this one being made from natural ingredients really does, and it doesn't slip. It's beautiful and I feel very stable and comfortable in it. I love it. So yeah, this is the best yoga mat I've had in my life. Thank you.